PLI scheme center disburses Rs 21,534 crore so far for 12 sectors to boost local manufacturing. In order to boost local manufacturing, the central government has disbursed Rs 21,534 crore so far under production-linked incentive PLI schemes for 12 sectors, including electronics and pharma, according to an official statement released on Wednesday. These 12 sectors include large-scale electronics manufacturing, pharma, IT hardware, automobiles, bulk drugs, specialty steel, textiles, medical devices, telecom, drones, white goods, and food processing. Cumulative incentive amount of Rs 21,534 crore has been disbursed under PLI schemes for 12 sectors, the Commerce and Industry Ministry said. In 2021, the government had announced the PLI scheme for 14 sectors with an outlay of Rs 1.97 lakh crore. It is a government initiative that offers financial incentives to companies based on their incremental manufacturing output in India. Reviewing the progress of the schemes, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal asked the concerned ministries to prepare a roadmap for the next 5 years both on investment and disbursement. The ministry also said the scheme has witnessed investments worth Rs 1.76 lakh crore, which has generated production sales of over Rs 16.5 lakh crore and employment of over 12 lakhs direct and indirect till March 2025. About the progress of the scheme for the pharma sector, it said the sector has witnessed cumulative sales of Rs 2.66 lakh crore, which includes exports of Rs 1.70 lakh crore achieved in the first 3 years of the scheme. The overall domestic value addition in the sector has been 83.70% as on March 2025. Swipe left for next video. In the bulk drugs segment, the scheme has contributed India becoming a net exporter of bulk drugs Rs 2,280 crore. From net importer Rs 1,930 crore, as was the case in 2021-22. Further, it added that exports of Indian man-made fiber MMF textiles have reached 6 billion during 202,425 as against 5.7 billion during 2023-24. Latest blogs.